In this video, I'm going to make a complete review on EURUSD, the fundamental and a technical review on EURUSD. So I've already shared the paper version on my Discord channel. So if you have not yet joined my Discord channel, you can join it through the link in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. So before starting, let me remind you the importance of the fundamental analysis. Most of the traders, they only rely on the technical analysis, which is already great, but they can improve it by implementing the fundamental analysis. So in general, the fundamental analysis gives you the direction of the market, and the technical analysis gives you the entry and exit point of the market. So with this being said, let's start with the review. So I'm gonna make first a fundamental review and then a technical review on EURUSD, because this is the only pair that I've traded this week. So we're gonna stay only on EURUSD. So first of all, my fundamental expectation for EURUSD during this week. So I generally expected a bullish EURUSD, and here are the three reasons why I expected this move. So first of all, the market sentiment, which was a risk on. So what is a risk on sentiment? Well, a risk on period is when traders are more comfortable to take more risks on the market. And how does this will affect the EURUSD in general? Well, it will not directly affect the EURUSD, but it will affect the US dollar particularly. Why? Because the US dollar is considered to be a safe haven asset. So this kind of asset, traders need it in the time of crisis. But during the previous week, the market was in a risk on mode. That means that there is no risk, so they are more willing to take more risk. So in this period, they will sell their US dollar and buy more risky assets. So this is the reason why I thought USD will lose value. So if USD lose value, then USD will go bullish during this period of time. And the second reason is the retail trader sentiment. So as you can see in this picture here, the retail trader sentiment was overall bearish on the EURUSD, and this has given me additional confirmation, because as we all know, 90% of the time retail traders always get wrong. So whenever you see retail traders expecting a bearish movement on a certain asset, for example, keep in mind that the market will 90% of the time go against them. So these were my fundamental reasons why I thought that EURUSD will be bullish during this week. So for the technical analysis, here is the point where the market has opened, and as you can see, the trend is overall bullish here with a break of structures here. Market keep making higher highs and coming down to take inducements here. So this was the point where the market were at the beginning of this week. So I expected the market to create a new structure here to break this structure, take out inducement, and maybe mitigate and order block down here, and then I can take my buy here. Since the market has already taken inducement here and has already mitigated a hidden POI here, so I expected the market to push high to break this structure. So this was my expectation, my technical expectation on EURUSD for this week. Now let's see what has actually happened during this week on EURUSD. So as usual, we're gonna make a fundamental review first and then a technical review after. So take a look at this structure here. The market has opened here. This is the opening of the market during this week on June 30th, and you can notice that there is first of all a bullish period and then a bearish period later on. Okay, so let's first analyze this bullish period here and check the reason, the fundamental reason behind this. The fundamental reason behind this is the German CPI, which came out better than expected. So these are giving little strength to euro, which has helped EURUSD to break this level here and keep the current bullish structure here. So there is no other reason behind this, only German inflation, which was better than expected. This has caused the break of this structure, and the market has kept its current bullish structure. And let me just remind you that 90% of the traders, of retail traders, were expecting a sell at this level here, as I showed you in this picture before. Most of them were selling here, and as you can see, the market has just collected all of their stop losses and keep moving forward to the upside. Okay, so this was the first phase, which was completely bullish here because of the German CPI, which was way better than expected. So after that, on the same day, we have seen a decline in euro USD until the market has even broken this level here, which is a change of character. So what was the fundamental reason behind this? Well, the fundamental reason is that we started getting more positive data coming from the United States, which is, for example, the manufacturing PMI and the job opening, which were way better than expected. So this is what has caused this decline here. And after that, the market is really struggling to create new higher highs here, and the market has dropped again to break this level here. And the reason for that is now the anticipation of a positive NFP after the positive manufacturing PMI and the job opening. Okay, so the market has started anticipating a really positive NFP here. So this has caused the market to follow the current bearish trend here after breaking this level, which is a change of character here. And here you can see this is the level NFP has been released, and you can see this sharp drop caused by the positive NFP as the market has anticipated here. So these were the two moves of the market. First of all, we were bullish because of the German CPI, which was better than expected, and then we start a bearish move here caused by more positive data coming from the United States. And after that, the market has started anticipating a positive NFP, and so this is what has kept the euro USD bearish here. And you can see euro USD keep breaking the structure to the downside here. So my trade, did I take any trade during this period here? Well, I tried to take a trade, but unfortunately I didn't execute any trade at all. As you can see here, these were the levels where I expected to sell here, but the market didn't come to mitigate my orders here. So I tried to take my trade on the 5-minute time frame since I was scalping. So after the market has started the bearish trend on euro USD here, caused by some positive data coming from the United States, then I expected the market to keep going down like so. So I penned my first trade here. This is my first sell limit on this supply area here. So we have a based drop, and I expect the market to push high to mitigate this supply area here, which is on the same level as this previous support area. Unfortunately, the market didn't come to mitigate it, and the market keep pushing downside. And my second trade is this level here, this supply level. The market came and respected it, but unfortunately I didn't take the trade because this structure was not really clean to me, but the market respected anyway. But I'm not complaining because I was just disciplined and I just skip it. I will catch a next opportunity next time. All right. Now, what to expect for the upcoming week? Well, for the upcoming week, there is no significant high impact news that we can keep an eye on. So we'll have more to rely on the technical analysis. So currently, even for the technical analysis, it is unclear what the market will do, since after the NFP, the market is clearly ranging here. So we'll wait for the market to give us additional indications like a break of structure of this level here, meaning that the market will keep the current bearish move here. So after this break of structure, we'll wait for the mitigation of a supply zone or an inducement, a swipe, then we can take our sell here. But it will all depend on what the market will do at the opening. So there is no high impact news for this week. There's no significant high impact news for this week. So we'll directly keep an eye on the technical part here. So I'll keep you guys updated in my Discord channel. So if you have not yet joined my Discord channel, you can join it through the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you next time.